Beauty wasn't made here. Angels like you.
Suspect, nagising lang sa GC, huwag may kailangan.
Hindi ako natutuwa, hindi ako nang titrip sa inyo. Tigilan niyo yung mga kabasusan na message, ha?
Only responding in a group chat when you need something or ignore message. At other times is not proper etiquette. It can come across as rude or selfish because it indicates that only participate when it benefits you, without regard for others in the group. A group chat is intended for communication, so it's important to acknowledge message or participate in conversation when possible. So, suspect, may sariling GC para mapaksan na classmate.
Using a group chat to attack a classmate is a poor example of netiquette or proper online behavior. It is a form of cyberbullying because it spreads negativity and may harm the person subject of the conversation. Instead of resolving problems or misunderstanding in a respectful manner, it adds conflicts and makes the online environment toxic.
Suspect, ini-stalk si Crush online.
Kung ayaw mo sa akin, ayaw ko din sa'yo. Pisting yawa ka!
Stalking someone online, even if it's just admiration, is not a proper etiquette. It values their privacy and may take them uncomfortable. If they find out, well, it's natural to be curious about someone constantly stalking.
Suspect, ang last magparinig sa messenger notes.
Posting indirect messages or pagpapadinig about someone is not a proper etiquette. This type of behavior can lead to misunderstanding, spread negativity, and increase conflicts rather than resolving them. Even if the message is not addressed to a specific person, it can still cause hurt feelings and unnecessary drama. Tama na, guys!
Yeah! Okay, love you guys. Don't forget to smile.
So, suspect, ang talino raw pero mahilig mag-click ng fake link.
Clicking on suspicious links is a poor example of netiquette because it demonstrates a lack of online safety awareness. These links may lead to scams, viruses, or hacking attempts that steal personal information or damage devices.
Suspect, tinabig bawat galaw niya sa messenger notes.
Always updating every move on messenger notes is not a bad thing, but it can be interpreted as oversharing, which is not always acceptable netiquette. While it is acceptable to express yourself online, posting too much frequently about every minor action will also make you vulnerable to security risks.
Suspect, hindi raw uto pero mabilis maniwala sa fake news sa Facebook.
Believing in fake news is a poor example of netiquette because it can spread false information and cause confusion or harm. It's essential to fact-check before believing anything we see online, especially if it sounds too good to be true or appears suspicious.
Suspect. Tahimik sa school pero lakas mag-trash talk sa ML.
Wow!
Bullying someone in games like Roblox is a clear violation of good etiquette and also a form of cyberbullying. It's hurtful and can have long-term negative consequences for the person being bullied. Games are supposed to be fun and enjoyable